What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Damien Crier, and I'm back with another video. So today, I got my son Darion and my son Damien, and they both about to be battling on that air hockey table. You want to say what's up to the vlog, Bing?
What's up?
Where that smile at, man? They be wanting to see that smile on your face sometime. Where that smile at? Oh yeah, huh? How you feel?
Not scared at all.
So do you feel that you're gonna beat him?
Probably. I haven't played this game in a really long time, but
But you ain't gonna use that as an excuse, right?
nope.
I mean, you was kicking his butt in the other game this morning. Okay. Dame, as usual, business Damien. Business Damien.
I'm about to beat the brakes off my little brother.
You about to do this to your little brother?
I have to. Where the fuck at? Oh, it's right here.
So this is your first time playing.
Our first time playing, bro.
So look, this is right here. This is your score right here. Your score, I think, is what, 7? I think 7 is the...
The seven is, we go to 7.
7, okay. Let the games begin. Oh my
I
God.
played this in so long. It's so easy.
You gonna let him do that to you?
What's up, man? What's up? Oh, we gotta go harder than that, man. We take it easy on you? We take it easy on you or what? I'm gonna take it easy on you or what?
If you want to, then.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, what's the score?
Where you at,
Darion,
Darion?
what's going on, man?
Where you at,
2-0,
Darion?
what is you doing?
Oh. Oh.
Come on, man. Show him what you can do, man. Oh,
I scored on
okay.
myself, bro.
Okay. He committed, but
I
it's
scored on
still a
myself.
point. It's still a point, right? Not about the process. It's about, 2-0. 2-2. Not about the process. It's about the results, right?
That's how you feel?
He scored on himself. It's all good. It's all fair. Oh, scored on himself again. I don't know if Damien doing this intentionally or not, trying to let his little brother win or not, but we'll see. See what the end results is. Good block. Oh. There you go. Keep your hold. Oh.
Talking about?
Keep your hold block.
What's up, Darion? What you talking about,
3-3.
boy? What you talking about, boy?
Bang, come on, man. You ain't going for that, is you?
You nervous now? Oh.
Oh.
Talking about Darion? What's up? 5-3.
5-3. It's getting real, baby. The battle was on. You got to come back from this. Keep your hold block. Keep your hold block. Oh,
wow.
good block.
Come on.
Oh, caught him slipping. 5-4. Big Damon's lead. Starting to get warmed up now. Oh, 5-5. 5-5. Uh-oh.
I almost hurt myself.
6-5. Little one takes the lead. Oh, 6-6. So the one says dressed alike with black and red on.
Oh!
Oh, game point. That's it. That's it. Beat him the first game, 7-6. That was a close game.
I mean, so what you want to do?
Go to the gym.
What you want to do? What?
Right.
You letting him walk up on you, just talk to you like that crazy?
What's up? I say, she thought I was going for the gym.
You see how he walked up in your face like this, like what you want to do instead of standing there asking you? That sounds like some drama to me. He trying to call you out or what? Oh.
That's how you feel.
Off the gate. Oh. You see how he looked at you? He looked at you. He had a mug on his face. Good toss slipping. Ooh. Double twos. Double twos. Oh, 3-2. Caught him slipping.
Okay.
This is getting pretty intense right here. Pretty intense. 3-3. Darren, you should have betted him some push-ups or something, man. Oh, that was a hard one right there. 4-3. The game is starting to change. Uh-oh. Brother's tied up. Brother's tied up. 4-4. Oh, 5-4. 5-4.
You got Darion? It's stuck?
So, that's it.
Dang, I hit it so hard, got stuck. There you
There
go.
it is.
I hit it so hard, got stuck.
He wasn't gonna give you a chance to even get all the way back down there. Oh, 5-5. 5 and 5 is 6-5.
6-5.
Game point potentially. Game point.
Oh.
You got to go hard on this thing. Oh, 6-6. Game point. This is intense right here.
Let's go.
That's it. That's it. That's it. How you feel, Bing? 2-0. I mean, how you feel? Huh? Is you mad or what? Huh?
Got lucky.
Oh, that wasn't skills. He just got lucky. That was it. Good game though. Good game for both of y'all. Good game. Oh, good block. Good block. Good block. Good block.
Y'all not even good, man. It's 1-0. Y'all not even that good. Oh, snap. Oh, he beat himself.
That was weak. That was so weak. Beat yourself. 4-2. Oh, you try to pick me out, man. You try to pick me out. Try to pick me out.
Oh, he mad now.
Nice try. Nice try. Nice try.
What the score is? 6-5. Oh!
Game point.
6-6.
Give me mine. I got this. I got this. Got it. Nope.
Y'all struggling. What the heck, bro? Let me get from around you, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get from around him, Bing.
Don't take this up. You ain't getting it like that. You ain't getting it like that.
Oh, Bean!
Yourself.
What the heck?
Let me win it.
Beat yourself out.
Let me get a baseball beat.
Oh, you want another one?
What the heck? Being,
I like that, though.
how you lose, bro?
Hey.
He said, hey, it is what it is. Oh! He came out swinging, though. Oh! Go.
How dare you disrespect me? How dare you? You grounded. You grounded.
You say you grounded.
You grounded. You are under punishment.
You gonna put him on punishment?
Take your punishment. Take your.
Wow, 2-2.
Come on.
Darion, man, you gonna beat that?
You are.
So you gotta do right here. Oh, we broke it. Oh, there we go. What the heck?
You got me sweating out.
Come on, Darion. Darion, come on, bro. You gotta do better.
I got him losing weight over there. Pulling his pants up. Thank you. You didn't get past 2 points today. You didn't get past 2 points. Past 2 points today. Not today.
Y'all struggling. Oh, wow.
Nice. Game point.
Game point, Darion.
Nice.
It's 6-2, bro. So what you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it, Darion?
Got 2 points today. Now let that. You are grounded. Get dizzy.
Like your past 2 points.
See that? Oh, good block. That was going right in. Game over. Game over. Game over. Oh, good block. That's it. Good game.
Hey.
Good game. Thank you. Thank you.
Gang, gang.